The large screen in the hall has been one of those kind of like dream purchases for a while. It was something where we had an old projector in there, you couldn't really see what was going on, even when the lights were off, everyone was trying to see what was happening. The board, the new screen in there and the sound system means that children can confidently stand up in assemblies, they can use the microphone so their voice can be projected and everyone can hear what they're saying. The back of the screen means we can play videos, they can be used as a backdrop for performances, and it just means that we can be more creative with how we do productions, with what assemblies look like, and just make sure that children take ownership and are proud of what they're saying.